Hello everyone, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. My name is Helen and I'm gonna be going in this account by Helen of The Sims. This video is actually coming a little bit late, so I'm sorry about that. I recorded this same night the new season came out, but I was actually underestimating a little bit how long it will take me to set up the whole YouTube channel. So I'm sorry about that, it's almost 1.11. But here it is nonetheless. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my first full video, and I promise I have a lot of videos planned, and I have a speed build actually planned for The Sims 4 where I'm gonna introduce myself a little bit better. I'm gonna explain a little bit more about who I am. That's it. I'll leave you with Helen of the past and enjoy. I'm actually so excited to be able to see this closer. This banner, by the way, like this looks so beautiful. Now, if you can see up here, might be a little bit short on crystals, so I'm hoping for the best. Really hoping, because I want the whole outfit, I want the ability for it. I actually kind of wanted the first evolution, so I'm kind of like 4 diamonds short for that, but we can definitely get them like with the diamonds that we're gonna be getting soon. But I really want to get the whole outfit in this video. I'm hoping for the best, so please hope with me. Let's hope that we get this dress early so we don't have to open our wallets for it. So for the Ocean's Blessing, there is absolutely beautiful. I'm also wondering, because I don't see this is, oh, this is a, okay. So we have a brooch, we have the dress, which is absolutely stunning, and I love the final evolution for it, but I'm not gonna be getting that, unfortunately, because, yeah. And then, oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful necklace. These are really cute earrings. This is my favorite piece, so I think this is what I'm gonna be doing the blessing for, hoping I get it early. Although maybe we can do the dress, because maybe that'll give us better luck in the whole thing in general. This is so cute. I mean, I think I'm gonna get it anyway, so beautiful bows. See, I don't see the flowers that I saw in her hair in here. So, because these are cute too. Because this is a 5-star, I kind of don't want them to be sticking to her hair. The nature witch, she said I'm Glinda. See those flowers? Oh no. I really don't want them in the hair. I want to be able to wear the hair without them. Oh god. I don't think that's gonna be a thing. I think these are gonna be sticking to the hair. Look at that. Obviously I'm not getting this, but this is stunning. And then the black option, which is so sad that the black one that most people are going to want is locked behind the last one. And then the, oh, see the glow up, which is really beautiful. I'm not a gold fan, like I'm not the biggest fan of it, but that's cute. That's still cute. And then this one, I don't know, like the movement of the dress. I don't know. I also want to know how these flowers look, and these flowers as well in other hairs, because it's not part of the hair, it's like a piece for the hair. So I want to know what it looks like in other ones. Like, really cute. Oh, the wings move a little bit. Okay, that's good, because that's the one thing that I was not a fan of. Okay. And the second one, okay, it's you. And then the glow up, it's green again. Let's see, so the bird goes in white, yellow, and then a little bit, yes, less yellow. Oh, it's green, okay. Okay, I'm nervous, but here we go. We're gonna pick the dress, because I feel like dress takes a while to come. So maybe if we get it early with a blessing, we're gonna be able to finish up sooner. I don't know. Don't quote me on that math. I didn't calculate anything. I'm just hoping. Let's go for the dress. Okay. Here we go. And I forgot the... Okay, no 5-star in the first one. That would be too lucky. Okay, we got the earrings. Okay. That's not a good start, but... Okay. Second one. Obviously this is a 5-star. Okay, we got the necklace. Okay, you got the shoes. And that's it. Okay. Okay. Please help me out. Oh, I didn't even look at the deep echoes for this. Yeah, I really want... I mean, I'm getting this anyway, I think. And this is the cloak. Oh, this is a beautiful frame. Okay. And then I haven't looked at the makeup. We'll look at that later. Okay. Please don't drain all of my diamonds. I don't even want to know. Oh! Okay. No 4-star? Oh my god. Okay. Well, but we got a 5-star. Okay. Okay. Please give me some luck. We got this. Okay, we got 2 pieces. Okay, that's good. We're back on track. Okay. There you go. Okay, we got a 4-star in this one, which is good. Okay. Got the pieces for the hands. That's it. Okay. Okay, this time we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. See if we get a little bit luckier. We wait. Okay, no 5-star. We skip that. Oh, we got a little... So cute. That should be in the hat section, right? I feel like it should be. Okay. Okay, I'm nervous. I see my pulse going down and just... Yeah, this is stressful. Then this is the 5-star. Okay. We got the brooch. We got the wings. We're missing just the dress for the 4-star. And we're completing in this one. Here we go. She's so cute. Okay. See, maybe this when I see her moving like that, I like it a little bit more. Not that I don't like it. It's just not my favorite 4-star that I've seen with a banner. Okay, we have 96 pulls left. We are 80 pulls in. And we're still missing more than half, so... Okay, we're not gonna skip it. We're not skipping it. No skip. Wait, oh no, this is the... Okay. Okay, we got the dress. It's the 5th piece. I think we got it like 1 early. Okay. We're not skipping. This is so hard to get myself to not do that. Okay. No 5-star. Got the wings. Okay, nothing. I see no hat. Listen, if the hat is the last piece, oh my god. Okay, we got 66 more pulls. Please let me get lucky. Okay. Then we got 2 for the 4-star. And that's it. And then this is the one with the 5-star. We got the bows. Still no hat. We need 3 more. Okay. I don't want to know, you know? I don't want to know anymore. Okay, nothing. There we go. Oh my god, we have only 26 more pulls. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we got the shoes. Oh. Oh god, okay. Oh, this is stressful. Oh no. We need 2 more pieces. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one came early. Okay. Which one is it? Okay, it's... Oh, so the hat is... Oh my god. What is it, the hat? I knew it. I knew that it was gonna be the last one if I didn't pick that one. Let's see if I have enough to get one of these. Yeah, 1. There you go. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, no 5-star. That's okay. Okay. So, we're gonna do singles and hope for the best. Go, I got another one. So we have 8 pulls. Okay. Let's just hope. Because see, now that I'm so close to the first Evo, I also kind of want it. We're gonna skip this. Okay. See, I was so lucky in the last banner, like the 1.10 for the music season. I completed that in 160. So I was not that lucky, but I was kind of lucky. Okay, yeah, I'm not getting that hat anytime early. Yeah, okay. So 1 more pull. Oh! Okay. Okay. I was thinking about... Okay. See, but now I want the evolution because I'm 2 pulls from it. Okay, Jay, we had enough. We had enough for the outfit. Okay. And I'm 2 pulls from this. Yeah, now I'm getting that. There's no way I'm not getting that. Yeah. There's no way I'm gonna be so close to that. There you go. It's a beautiful eyeshadow. I love the flowers. See, it's like did they finish right there? I love that. It looks beautiful. The Momo cloak. And then we have the frame, the piece, and the evolution. So let's actually did 180 pulls. Listen, at least I've never done more than 180. Yeah, I've never done. Yeah, I was thinking for a little bit, but yeah, I've never done more than 180, thankfully. Because I always just go to complete the outfit first. I don't really care about the first Evo or like any Evo in general. But if I'm so close to it, I feel like I don't know. I feel like maybe I need it. It's so cute. Okay, here we go. Like this one looks. This just looks so witchy. So yeah, so autumn. I don't know. I love it. And we also get a pose. Oh, okay. Those are so. They are so like. I mean, they kind of look like the one from the permanent banner that we have, the green ones, but it's also so different and so cute. The witch hat. Oh wow, okay. This is beautiful. It kind of reminds me of a deer. Like if you like books, it reminds me a lot of Throne of Glass, of Alien specifically. I don't know. It's given like Alien Galantanias. I like that. I use the cat one all the time. But I also, because it has the nails in it. There you go, 10 pieces. And then one pose. And then the next one has, yeah. This is the thing though, like I hate how this one doesn't come with a pose. Like you're gonna make me do 50 more pulls and it's not gonna have a pose with it. Sad. And then this is the alternative. Oh, okay, so it's a normal hat in the alternative version and it has stars in it. See, the normal hat, not really my vibe. I like the stars, but I prefer it with the witchy vibe in it. So the butterfly is bigger. Yes. Okay, the hat is a lot bigger. Yeah. But also the outfit, I like that dress. I really, really do. I was hoping that this piece was going to be like detachable. That was gonna be one of the 10 pieces. But I guess not. I guess what you get if you do like, I mean, with hard pity, it will be like 400 pulls. Just a lot. I do not recommend going for that. I mean, if you want to, if you love this outfit, absolutely go for it. But yeah, don't get it just for like an alternative version of a dress. And then, okay, so see, this is the thing I don't like. Like this one comes with no poses, and then this one comes with 3. That's not fair. Come on. Come on now. That's just not it. Okay, and I love that one. Just okay. Hello again, this is Helen from the present time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was actually so nervous to pull for this outfit because I really wanted it. Tell me in the comments please if you pulled for it, if you skipped, which one was your favorite piece, and if you're saving and what kind of theme are you saving for actually, because I really respect that. I try my best to not want to pull for every single outfit, but it's getting really hard because Info is getting really good. They're getting really good at their games, so it's getting harder every day. But yeah, hope you guys have a great night and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.